The Mini Health Informatician is a unique program that goes beyond basic health IT courses. Participants will walk away with knowledge pertaining to both health informatics and health IT, and more importantly, how these two disciplines work together in a real-life setting. The course starts off by covering the basics of supporting disciplines like computing, information science, and healthcare management, before moving into core subjects like standards and interoperability, workflow optimization, and change management. More importantly, it examines how all these subjects come together in tandem in health informatics, and how the health informatician utilize all these unseemingly unrelated subjects together to deliver sustainable healthcare in a real-life setting. Health informatics play a critical role in modern healthcare, in how it actually synthesizes and delivers health information to aid in the better delivery of healthcare services. This course helps participants not only understand what health informatics truly is, what are the core supporting subjects, but more importantly, it enables the participants to walk away with the ability to communicate with both healthcare professionals and health informaticians, serving as a bridge in this wonderful domain.